Hi, I'm Joe Petro, the Director of Engineering at Infratech. The purpose of these videos is to make specifying and installing our products easier for you. Prior to installation or service of Infratech equipment, you'll need to disconnect all power at the main feed. You should also use a qualified electrician who's familiar with the National Electric Code. In this video, we'll discuss the application and installation of the Duplex Tax switch assemblies. The most common use for the Duplex Tax switch is for a dual element heater to switch bulb A on and off independent of bulb B. It can also be used with two single element heaters. We offer this stack switch in a variety of configurations, including flush mount with a weatherproof cover, and surface mount with a weatherproof cover. Prior to installation, please review the wiring diagram included in the packaging, or you can download the wiring diagram in our literature library under Duplex Tax switch assembly. Now that we have our wiring diagram handy and available, we're ready to begin our installation. The most common installation, again, is the 3-wire application for dual element heaters. The 5-wire application is used with two single element heaters. We've removed a jumper between rocker A and rocker B on the 5-wire application to prevent causing a direct short. You will need to reinstall the jumper for the 3-wire application on dual element heaters. You bring line 1 to the switch, jumper from the input to the next input lug. Then you will have 1A go to one of the black wires in the heater, 1B go to the other black wire in the junction box on the heater. Same as at the switch. Line 1 comes in, jumper to the extra rocker, 1A to one black in the heater, 1B to the other black in the heater. You'll see on the diagram, line 2 is unswitched. It goes direct to the heater. Wire nut to the two red wires in the heater. After you connect your ground in the heater, your installation is complete. Well, hopefully this video has been helpful. It's our goal at Infratech to provide the best products and the best information to make your installation a success. Should you need additional assistance, please feel free to contact Infratech.